So my name is Oleksandr. I'm head of production in FieldBee Polska. So we are located right now in Poland. We are manufacturing and developing precision solutions for farmers. We are in this business already 11 years. But if we are speaking about real growth of our business, it started about 3 years ago when we moved all production in-house and start operating with all those processes by ourselves. To be honest, when we started, it was always a decision to keep with original functionality because our first partner was not so effective and experienced in this kind of implementations. But when we moved to our current partner, VentorTech, it's become more easier, and our ideas came true.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's talk a bit about VentorTech. VentorTech is a partner that has been with Odoo for quite a few years. They're a gold partner, and they've been working with you on your implementation. So maybe you can tell us a bit about how VentorTech helped you during that transition period, and what role did they play?
First of all, it's educational part. They put a huge effort to give us knowledge how to use original functionality from Odoo, because as our vision right now, as there as well, they are trying to configure and to stay on the original functionality, either go to implementation a new modified features. With their help, we were able to set it up, those processes which I described before, like manufacturing, inventory, purchasing, and also on top of that, we implemented several additional steps on our workflows, which is, to be honest, not so big development in terms of coding, but it's a huge impact in our efficiency and in process improvement.